Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 79, language. Okay? Adverbs of place. I hope that you already watched the video about adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. Here and there are adverbs of place. Here means near, there means far. Examples: my dog wants to stay here with me on the couch. Okay, your cat wants to stay over there on the bed. Okay, it's time you put in practice what you have learned. Read the following sentences, fill in the circle that corresponds to the correct adverb of place, and write it on the line. Okay, I am here in my bedroom. She is there by the slide. Who is that boy over there? Number 4. Bingo wants to stay here with me. You need to go there to find out. Excellent, very good. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.